Hey guys, Mike from BTech Reviews here, and today we take a look at and unbox the Fi Series 3 dog collar. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today is an unorthodox unboxing for the channel, right? You guys that follow me know that I usually do like phone unboxings or, Bluetooth or anything a little tech related, and this is not one of my normal unboxings. I have done something like this many years back, but in this case, again, they reached out to me and I decided, hey, I'll do it since I do have dogs. So yes, I am unboxing a dog collar, right? So again, this is the Fi Series. I'm going to post up the links in the description for you guys in the description below, just so you guys know. But basically, this is just a I would like to call it a smart dog collar. It's a collar that can basically track your dog if your dog gets out of your property and you can't locate your dog, right? It has kind of like a smart tracking on it with an app that you can download. So I'm going to go ahead and go over that with you guys and the process. And just so you guys know, again, let me take a look here. Let me go ahead and get this opened up really quick so we can get that going here. And big shout out to them for sending this out to me. I mean, hey, I'm not, definitely something outside of the box that I don't normally do. But again, the brand is called Fi. I will go ahead and link up everything in the description below. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this opened up, right? So it says there's a new breed of dog collar right here. And again, all I have to do is just scan that to download the app, right? And again, you can check out the website there, which is tryfi.com/app as well. It says Fi Series 3, so let's check it out. So it looks like it does need to be charged. Here's the actual little indicator right here, or the little tracker that you do have to clip on to the collar itself. Again, this is my first time doing it, guys. There is a few tutorial videos, so bear with me. I'm not sure what this is. I don't know if this is it looks like this is probably like a wireless charger that it comes with, maybe, or maybe a dock, because it looks like Save the Planet. It does look like you can probably use this for something. I'm not 100% sure what, but it does look like, yeah, check it out. It does look like you can use that for charging. It does look like USB, micro USB, by the way. So this is not USB Type-C, which, a lot of people might complain about. Just a heads up, guys, for future makes of this, try to make sure you guys are using Type-C, because no one really uses micro USB anymore. And of course, here's the actual collar itself. So let's take a look here. And again, let's take a look at the instructions really quick. Again, I know it's a little wonky here on my end. It says position the band and the Fi device below. Pull the lock back, rotate, and leak in forward. Okay, so I did watch a video on that. I am gonna go ahead and try to I'm gonna half-ass it a little bit, not really, but let's go ahead and open this up. Let's take a look at the collar itself. And again, I do have my dogs here, so one of them will get to test this out. So I do have two little Chihuahuas, and I'll put this on the one that I think that it's going to get out the most. Hopefully, I mean, it is sort of a medium-sized Chihuahua, so I'm hoping that I have no issues as far as the collar fitting my dog. Again, you do have to pay. Just a heads up, you do have to pay for access to use this app, right? So it is a subscription-based app that you do have to pay for, in order to use the service for them. This is going to be interesting. So I mean, pretty much you can use this right here. Let's take a look here. I wonder if I have to charge it already. Let's go ahead and just peel this off, right? I'm just gonna try to get this thing. So let's take a look. So I would assume that the collar is gonna go like that. I feel like this would be very uncomfortable for my dog, just as is, right? But again, again, we'll see. I don't know. So we're supposed to, let's see if I can get this down really quick, fix my tripod for you guys really quick, and let's see if I can get this attached here. All right, so at the end of each tip here, or I guess the edge of the collar here, you notice that it does have like this little locking mechanism for this. So I believe you just have to slide in. Let's see if I can do this correctly. Slide this in. It's a little hard for me to see, guys, because it is kind of dark in my room, by the way. I want to make sure I'm doing this correctly, just because. Okay, hold on one sec, guys. 1 second. This is definitely, and I might have to go back and watch the video, but it's definitely not easy. Again, I might need to get some more light in here just because I'm having trouble seeing on my end. But I know the way the collar's laid out, like it's gonna go like this. Okay, guys, so that was kind of difficult trying to figure out the how to actually get this connected here, but I finally got it. I will post a link, I guess, as far as video link goes, to how to get the little, I guess, tracker connected here, because I actually spent maybe about like 10 minutes before actually figuring it out. These little locking slider mechs, actually, they're like in reverse or something like that. But anyways, guys, I'm about to download the app, right? And then we'll go over, I guess, how else this tracker works. But this also is supposed to light up at nighttime as well, so that you guys can check that out. So let me get the app downloaded, and then I'll give you guys more information on the collar, okay? Okay, guys, so I am about to download the Fi app, right? You do have to get registered for it, right? So you do have to, you know, use your email and whatnot. I do have this little item plugged in, by the way. So I am charging the I guess little GPS tracker itself, right? But I just wanted to let you guys know, I guess, give you more information about the dog collar itself, right? It's basically just a smart dog collar that tracks your dogs, but it's also waterproof, right? It's dirt and adventure proof, so you know, if the dog jumps in a puddle of water or jumps into like your pool or something, it'll get it going. It says it's industrial proof, saying the Series 3 sports a full stainless steel body frame that can sustain 400 pounds of static force to resist the biggest leash pullers. So, you know, for dogs that you know, are big leash pullers, I'm gonna have to try to adjust this. I'm not sure. I'm hoping this fits my dog. I have two little Chihuahuas. You know, I might have ordered the wrong size, but either way, you know, this is, you know, just to kind of give you guys information, right? For you guys, right? But anyways, guys, pretty much it's just, you know, it's a nice little dog collar that will allow you to track your dog. You know, especially if I feel like this would benefit people that you know, lived on farmland, I guess, that, you know, really have their animals out on, you know, acres of land that, you know, they just, you know, maybe their dog likes to get out often, right? So this would be definitely a good little thing to have for your animal, right? I'm gonna go ahead and open the app and let's see what happens here. So let's get that open. Let's go ahead and move that here. So this is what the app looks like, right? I'm gonna go ahead and get registered and sign in, and then we'll show you guys more what it looks like here. All right, guys, so we are trying to again continue to set up the device here. Dog care on my phone here. So it says if I would like to use Bluetooth, right? Okay, gonna go ahead and allow. So plug in the Fi base. I already have that going on. You're in. One more step. The Fi base uses Wi-Fi to let us know when your dog is safe at home. The top portion, but it's not. It's actually the bottom. So you actually have to do that. So let's try this again. Maybe the collar has to not. There you go. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this connected really quick. I'm going to just punch in my password really quick, guys. Don't mind me. Interesting, though, that you do need the base connected, I guess, for the collar to work, which is interesting, I guess. So it says allow, you know, GPS, allow while using the app. So, whoop, okay, hold on. Let's see what's going on here. Well, I guess that don't really matter. Well, whatever. So I'm just gonna kind of ballpark where I live here, right? Sorry guys, I don't want super stalkers here, but I'm just gonna put save. It does give away information there, so save zone setup. I'm just gonna call it home. Next. So again, it's a process, guys. Like, they really want your dog to be safe here. The base is configured. Connection timeout. We lost connection to the base. What? I don't know how it's connected right here. Okay, retry. Let's try this again. It says Fee uses motion and fitness activity to data to track and improve your dog's movement. So again, it's kind of a process, guys. You know what I mean? You know, definitely don't know if I'll do a follow-up video here, but it is a process. All right, so I guess I did have to connect the collar to the base. I guess that was what's going on. Go ahead and turn on push notifications here. Now comes the fun part. Let's activate Chula's collar by placing it on the base. Okay, I just did that. It's already there. It's already on the base. Now comes the fun part, okay. Do I need to take it off and put it back on? Okay, there we go. Invite anyone who may require access. So we'll skip that for now. Give $20, get 1 free month. So it says Chula is now at home. So it tells you that you're at home. Which is good. I'm sure my dog is here. She's right next to me on the bed. It says give $20, get 1 free month, invite more friends. So again, I don't know if I'll do any type of affiliate stuff going on, but we'll skip that for now. Welcome to the pack. Now it tells you follow Fi on Instagram later. I don't need to follow them. But yeah, introducing Support Plus, so you can call them and etc. like that. So right now it's telling you I didn't take a picture of my dog. I just took a picture of the collar. Chula is now home. So yeah, let's put the dog on my collar and see what happens. Okay, so excuse the messy bed. My dog likes to lay on my bed. This is what the collar looks like with it on. This is a small, so it does fit her pretty okay. She's about like I think 12 to 15 inches in length. And there's my other dog. As you can see here, the collar is lighting up. I'm not sure exactly why it's lighting up. But it's lighting up, so I don't know if that's just like a light or maybe because she scratched it, you know what I mean? Pretty cool, I guess, at night, because I know there is a feature that you can light it up so where you know, your dog is out there. I don't know, I just don't feel like this collar is a very comfortable collar for the dogs, though. I think it's you know, it's going to be uncomfortable for her. But let me okay, whoa, hey let me take a look at the app here and see what else we have, further instructions here. Alright, so as you can see here, I did turn the collar light on. I think this is going to be pretty useful, especially if you take the dogs out for walks at nighttime, right? I've seen people with, like, you know, illuminated collars and whatnot, but I think that's pretty cool. It does say that Chula is at home, right? So, like, for instance, if I am trying to look for her, I can navigate. But the app is kind of interesting, guys, because it's like you can just discover, like, other people with, you know, the same type of dogs or same kind of collar, you know, stories, etc. like that. People that have, you know, this guy put lost my dog. You know, they rank animals, I guess, based on points here, right? Chula is in the top 100K. So apparently a lot of people use these dog collars, more than 100,000 at least. So you can actually post pictures of your dogs also. So it's kind of like, you know, you can also, you know, look at, I guess, this as a social media page for dogs also, right? You know, this tells you how much, I guess, I don't know if they rank points based on how much they walk, etc. like that. But like you can also track like how much they're walking, what they're doing, etc. like that. So that's pretty interesting, guys. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and leave that there for you. And again, you know, this was an interesting video for me. I might do a follow-up video just because, you know what I mean. But look at, like, the collar itself, it's cool. They're a little on the pricey side, I believe. The collar itself was like, and it's not so much the collar, it's this little device right here. It's a little tracker that comes with it. It's about I want to say it was a little over, it's under 200 bucks. I want to say what you know, they hooked it up. So I don't shout out to the company who gave this to me, obviously. You know, definitely, I believe, again, I believe it was between $100 and $150. So again, I'm going to post up all the information in the link down in the description below for you guys, so you guys can check that out. Again, keep in mind, you know, the app is subscription based, so you do have to pay a specific amount of months so that you can continue to use the tracker, right? So again, if you don't use it, this little thing pretty much becomes just a little brick. You know, I'm still not a fan of the collar itself, as far as I guess just the way it's set up. You know, I feel like it's not comfortable for my dog, especially like this big plastic clasp. She's not a very big dog, right? So I don't think that this ginormous thing is very necessary. Although, of course, you know, again, I don't really keep my dogs with collars, but I think that's pretty interesting, though. So, ooh, that'll be a good thumbnail. But anyways, guys, this is Mike from B-Tech Review signing off. Thanks again for checking out the channel. Thanks again for checking out the video. Don't forget to smash the like button. Excuse my messy bed. As always, we'll see y'all next time. Thanks again.